Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed PDF on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Embedding a PDF on your Squarespace website is a straightforward process that can help you share documents like brochures, reports, or manuals directly with your visitors. Now, I'm working with a specific PDF here on the Canva platform. What I'm going to do, this is very important, okay? I'm gonna click on the share button on the upper right corner, and there's gonna be an option that says see all. There is a thing called embed, and all I have to do is click on the embed. I can embed my design on Medium like WordPress, Squarespace, of course. It will always update automatically. All I have to do is click on the embed button. So there's two options: HTML embed code or the smart embed link, whichever you prefer. But I'm gonna click on the HTML embed code. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna switch over to the Squarespace website builder. Once you are logged into your Squarespace account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the dashboard. That would lead you to the website that you're working, and for you to be able to embed a PDF, I want you to click on the add block here. And there's two options. You can simply click on the embed code and embed the code of the PDF on this. All right, you can put in, of course, a short description around here. Let me do that in a few sec. You can also add a custom featured image, but we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna click on OK now. Add an image if you want. Let me do that. If you click on it, you can upload a file from your local directory or select from a library or browse stock images powered by Unsplash, which is going to be the free ones. If you wanted the premium and paid service, that's going to be powered by Jetty. All right. For example, I'm going to be using this food item right here. Preview on site if you want. So that's that. Okay. Since I have already embedded the PDF code, you see, the link has been added here. All right, that's one option. Another option that you can do is click on add block, and there should be an option that says buttons. I'm gonna switch it over around here and click on the edit option, because I'm gonna do that again. I'm sorry. Let me click on the button. Now the button here, I'm gonna click on edit. All right. The text is gonna be like PDF download. All right. And attach the link, which is gonna be the Canva link. I'm gonna click on edit, and the link should be this one. All right, so these are some of your options in putting a PDF or embedding a PDF on your Square site. Now, another option that we can use is using Elfsight, because Elfsight provides a Squarespace PDF embed plugin. It is one of the quickest tools to upload PDF files to the pages of your site for seamless viewing and downloading. And as you can see, we have a separate video for that. We have already embedded the PDF widget. But the idea is we're going to view the widget for now. So this is going to be the embed. What I'm going to do is to upload a PDF. I'm going to delete this now for now. Delete widget. I'm going to create a widget from scratch. We can create a captivating widget with the help of already made templates or configure unique widget from scratch. All right, so We're going to click on the create widget. We can choose a template for the PDF embed. This is going to be the sample PDF file right here. Okay, or embed research. So you have a lot of options. File list, or maybe even magazine archive. All right. If you want to continue with this template, all you have to do is click this green button right here. And all we have to do is add the file. All right. So you have all these. I want you to click on done. Once you're happy with that, add the file. Click on publish. Wait for it to load. I'm going to put in something like this. Now on the layout, you have another option like a file viewer. All right, so this is going to be the fee sample. You have the file icon. You can choose from all of these options. But for now, we're sticking on the template. Head back. You have the download setting as show download link or download link checked as well for PDF. You have the width and height. It's all up to you. You can put in the grid or a list. Once you're happy, click on publish, click on close. Now this is going to be the PDF. All I have to do is click on it. You would be forwarded here again. And then there's going to be a 3 dots icon here. All I have to do is click on the embed code. All right. Copy code. Now, these are going to be some of the seamless integration for Elfsight. You have a Shopify, of course, we're using Squarespace. You have Wix, BigCommerce, BigCartel, GoDaddy, JumpSeller, Ecwid, Weebly, Lightspeed, Webflow, OpenCart, and a lot more. Notion, WordPress, Blogger. So we're going to click on Squarespace, and what will happen is there's going to be a small AI bot that would give you guidance on how to do that. But don't have to worry, because if you need more guidance, just read and understand from this or copy code, switch over to Squarespace, and then from here, we're going to add another block. We're going to click on embed. The embed should be around here. Type the embed here. All right. Custom feature image, and then that's that. All right, so basically that's how you embed a PDF on Squarespace. Now, as you can see, embedding PDFs on your Squarespace website can provide several benefits, enhancing user experience and improving communication with their audience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.